packing video. It has been a hot minute since I've done one of these. It's probably been like 2 years, but I've gotten a couple requests I guess a couple questions if I've done one recently, and I haven't, so I'm doing a packing video for this trip. I leave in about 10 hours. I'm going to Disney World with 3 of my girlfriends. It is a very short trip. We fly out Friday morning. We go to Epcot on Friday. We have dinner at Topolino's Terrace tomorrow night, Friday night. And then Saturday we're going to Magic Kingdom. Sunday we're going to Epcot. Monday I don't have a park pass reservation. I'm an annual pass holder, so if something's available I can make one. But I think we're just gonna go to Disney Springs and do some shopping. But I wanted to show you what I'm packing, what I'm bringing. I think I'm gonna do this all in a carry-on. I hope I can do it in a carry-on, and I'll kind of talk through that while I'm doing it. But let me show you what I'm bringing. Okay, so here's what I'm bringing. Sweatshirt, leaving at 4 in the morning. This was in my pre-Disney trip haul, so it's gonna be really cold. So I need a sweatshirt, and I'm just wearing a white t-shirt and leggings. I have my socks for my shoes. And then tomorrow night, we're having dinner at Topolino's Terrace. I have a dress, and then I need a little cami for it because it's really low cut. I have this extra dress. I may end up changing into this after the plane, but otherwise it'll just kind of be an alternate. This is the shirt I'm wearing to Magic Kingdom, and I'm wearing a black skirt with it. This is my shirt for Epcot, and then I have black shorts with it. And then this is just a little A-line dress that I have for Monday flying home at Disney Springs. Pajamas, masks. I'm bringing 4 masks for every day. My girlfriend makes these for me, and I have a few more that she is bringing for me, so I don't have all of them. But I put them in this little, this is like a really old laundry bag, but I just lay them flat in there, and it just keeps them organized. And then this will go in my bag. This is my masks for tomorrow. And then this is the bag that I'm bringing. I think I'm only going to bring 1 bag. We'll see how that goes. And then my socks. Okay. Then I have my suitcase, and I have the cat trying to help. I have my suitcase. I'm just bringing a carry-on suitcase and a carry-on bag coming home. If I have purchased too many items, I am going to check this and then carry on 2 bags. Here are my shoes. I am bringing 4 pairs of shoes. Yes, I'm only there 4 days, but the shoes are dressy, and for dinner I can also wear them home. My Crocs, I'm not sure how these are gonna work out. My tennis shoes, this is like the only pair of tennis shoes that I'm bringing. They're Skechers. Worn them a million times in the parks. And then my Reef flip-flops. They're those like yoga flip-flops. Once again, worn them a million times. Okay, moving over here. Sorry for the shadow. It's storming outside, so it's super dark. Water bottle, Lysol wipes, wet wipes. I have an extra pair of those wet wipes. This is my little holder that clips onto my bag to hold my ears. This I'm just using for my jewelry. I know it's a lot of jewelry just for a couple days, but I kind of want to wear all of it. My Pandoras, these are the rings. These are earrings. I have a little Mickey bracelet. These are the earrings I'm going to wear on the plane. Have a necklace. It's really hard to see, but it has like little Mickeys. My Alex and Ani silver, Alex and Ani rose gold, and then I have Alex and Ani gold on my arm. 1 magic band. I'm only bringing 1 magic band. Usually I bring like 1 for each day. My sound machine, my poncho. This little thing has, that's like my little muff for my camera, but it has all my extra gibbets if I want to change my gibbets. It has my lanyards for my mask. It has a drink cozy that's Halloween themed that I want to get some pictures at Magic Kingdom with, and then my extra watch bracelets. This is the carry-on bag that I'm bringing. I got this little charm today at Dunkin' Donuts. I thought it was so cute, so I put it on my bag. This is a Vera Bradley. This is kind of old. I did a review on this bag, but it's a Disney themed, but it fits over my suitcase. Moving over here, I have this that has all of my cords and stuff. I have like a big cord organizer, but I don't really need that for this trip because it's just me. So that is going to go on my carry-on. This is the holder for my external battery with the cord. That cord's really, really long, so I can keep this in my bag, and the cord runs out, and then I can charge my phone. That'll go in my park bag. And then I just have my purse here because I need to empty my purse and put it in here. But I'm going to bring this 3 Caballeros wallet by Loungefly, and then this will kind of like be my makeup case, if you will. This is Inside Out Loungefly. And then I have my curling iron. This is very, very old. It's from Vera Bradley. This is my toiletry case. And I talked about this. I've never used this before. I talked about this in my pre-Disney trip haul. So kind of have it loaded up. So I have my brush over here. And then I have all of my makeup. And then in the center here, I have like a hair tie, tweezers, my little toothpicks, a little, if I don't want to wash my hair, I kind of put, it's not like a, what is it called? Like a headband, so that just my hairline doesn't get wet. I have my glasses, cotton swabs. There are my makeup brushes. These are my vitamins. I have wet wipes. I have that moleskin stuff. And then I have, I'm just